Let's have a closer view of this Noeci GoCom4 motorcycle Bluetooth communication intercom headset for your motorcycle helmet. In this video, I will be showing you what's in the kit, along with showing my favorite features. Note to charge fully before you use this device. I received this product from the brand. I will be giving my disclaimer at the end of this video. Here's the earphone interface showing the power button, the volume buttons, phone button indicator, FM radio, and it provides a USB Type-C charging port. On the bottom is the FM radio button and also the plug-in port for the microphone and speakers. This headset main unit earphone interface is waterproof. Now let's have a look at what's in the kit. Each headset comes with a charging cable. You have two options for the mic. You have either a wired boom mic or this wired soft mic that I'm showing you right here. These pieces include a double sticky back Velcro. Now let's have a close look at the optional wired boom mic. I've actually installed both inside my helmet so I can compare the sound later. Here are the soft, comfortable, high definition speakers that you mount inside your helmet. Use the included double-sided sticky Velcro to mount your speakers. Here's the helmet clamp and Allen wrench to help install the earphone interface on either side of your helmet. Slides right onto the helmet clamp. Here's an illustrated overview of what's included in each kit minus the helmet. The features provide 5.1 Bluetooth technology. Connects up to four-way intercom devices, including other brand devices. Easily pair your device to your cell phone using Bluetooth technology. Receive phone calls, speak to other riders, and also play music. Unlike other brands, communicate and share music up to 4 riders in your pack, and works best with 2 people in front and behind on a motorcycle. Provides advanced noise control, intercom up to 1500 meters. It also has high definition speakers. It provides 4 simple button controls that you can easily use with your motorcycle gloves. My favorite feature is using the intercom and the music simultaneously with your passenger. I like the ambidextrous design so you can mount it on either side of your helmet, and has large control buttons. Full disclosure, this came to me free of charge. However, all opinions are my own. This brand paying me for this review, nor has anyone reviewed or approved what you're about to see before it was uploaded. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.